Ibadan, money here. So this is the process. The scene is still under construction. As you can see,
Good morning.
Let's check this side too.
Okay.
These are parts of those that are working here. These are the parts of the people that are working here. And this place is fine though, eh? It's very, very fine. Good morning, good day. You are welcome to our YouTube channel. This morning, I'll be going from Ibadan to Lagos by train. Please come with me. Right now, I'm in Iwo Road. I want to take a taxi taking me to Ojo. So from Ojo, I'm still going to take another taxi taking me to Moniya, where I will board a train from Ibadan to Lagos. Please come with me. Thanks. Now, our car is moving towards Ojo right now. So we are still in Iwo Road.
Well, that's what I like to hear. Now, before I continue, I would like to introduce you to the US member of our team, Joseph Tago.
Hello everyone. Hello.
Joe transferred from another school, and I'm counting on you guys to make him feel welcome.
No problem, Joe. So, Joe, what's your point? Oh my God.
We are still moving in Iwo Road.
I'm so excited to accept this. I heard a lot about you guys from last year's competition. Then I guess you made a lot of good love.
I'm on bike now, going towards Terminal, Rain Station in Ibadan. The construction is still on anyway. The construction is still on, and currently the train is not even available. It's not even on ground right now. Currently, the construction is still in the process. Just view it from the view back. This is the train station in Ibadan. As you can see, this is the route. Train station in Ibadan. Can you see the? I'm going towards their terminal now. This is a mini canteen where you can take your breakfast before boarding a train going towards Lagos.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please, I'm here to pay for my tickets.
Please pay.
Okay, please, I need to for first class, then 2 economy.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to say. What's their name, please?
We are now in Moniya train station, Ibadan. This is the construction. Construction is still on. I'm here with my friend. And I would like to see his face. He's a very funny guy, but try and see his face now. He's behaving somehow this morning, but don't worry, I won't do that. Let me snap it now. This place is toilets. And it's very neat. The toilet is very neat. Very, very neat. On boarding the train from Ibadan to Lagos this morning, I met one of my brother, a church member in Ibadan. So I would like him to share his own experience about this train. Alright, so thank you.
Yeah, so my name is Babatunde and I'm a legal practitioner. Yeah, I practice in Lagos State. Yeah, so my honest experience about boarding this train is sort of a mixed bag. What I mean by that is that there's a positive aspect and there's a negative aspect. The positive part is that yes, you board the train and you're certain that at a particular time you get to your destination, no delay. But on the other side, you know that the journey may be a bit tiring. I mean, you just sit down, you get bored, you get tired, and there may not be enough leg room, for the very tall people. So that may be some kind of a downside to it. So I'm going to advise that if you're planning to come on the train, you come with your own kind of fun, maybe your laptop to see a movie or a novel or something, because relying on your phone may be a bad idea because networks trip off because you pass through villages and stuff like that. So I guess at the end of the day, I'll take it. It's a good means of transportation, and it's positive. Yeah.
We are now at Professor Wallace Oyinka Station, Abeokuta in Ogun State.
Where are we now?
In Ogun State.
We are now at Ebute Meta train station, Lagos, where everybody will go to their various destinations. Imagine the kind of traffic that we are experiencing in Jibowu, Lagos, along Fadeyi Road here. This is just around 10 minutes to 1 in afternoon. Imagine the kind of heavy traffic that we are experiencing here. Unlike my own town, Ibadan, where you can move around without any single traffic along the road. Imagine, this is Lagos for you. Imagine, this is Lagos for you. This is Lagos for you. That is why it is very, very difficult for we that we reside in Ibadan to stay in Lagos. Imagine traffic. It's not even moving at all. and on my way now to Meta train station. I'm going back to Ibadan today, so I want to go and book for my tickets so that ahead of time I'll be there and I'll be able to do one or two things. Yesterday I boarded the train from Ibadan. I came down to Lagos. So while we were coming down yesterday, we encountered a kind of a bit disappointment from these train officers. Along Ibadan to Abeokuta, they stopped along the line and they said they were waiting for one particular Chinese man, that the man is going to join us and come with us to Lagos. So that yesterday they wasted about 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Later we move up again. So this afternoon again I left Ikeja around 11 a.m. So I got to this Meta Park around 2:30 because of very terrible traffic. You know, our President Muhammadu Buhari is around, so for the commission of these trains. So along the line we were waited at their office at Meta for about more than 30 or 15 minutes. So when it is up to almost an hour, they came out, they make the announcement that they were so sorry that the train will not be able to move down to Ibadan again this afternoon. So all passengers were so disappointed with that kind of their action. At least they should have informed us earlier than that, so that every one of us will make another choice, or rather stay with them against tomorrow. From what happened again today, my own good experience about this train is clear. You know, if you are traveling from Ibadan and you are coming down to Lagos, I think, to my own perspective and my own opinion, it's a good idea to come along with train because of certain things that we are confronting in this Nigeria now. Number one, let's talk about security matters. You know, if you come with this train that we are seeing around, there is guarantee or there is security, at least personnel that do come along with the train. That yesterday I saw a lot of them. I saw many soldiers, I saw police officers. In fact, I was so surprised to see a man inside the train with us. And the essence of going with us is just for security purpose. Then another thing is this, the economy perspective of it. Let's look at it. It's very, very economic. It's economically okay. You ask me why. You know, if you are coming from Ibadan to Lagos and you want to take a taxi rather from Iwo Road, at least I can say it boldly anywhere that if you want to come with a taxi, you will at least we see the one of 2,500 or so. And if you are coming with train, it have a kind of a 3 grade. There's what they call first class, which is 6,000 naira. There's one they call business class, which is 5,000 naira. Then there's one they call standard class. That one is just 2,500. It's very comfortable. They did the commission of this train today, and our President Muhammadu Buhari came all the way from Abuja to come and do the work. So along the way, all the activities for today was cancelled without notifying all the passengers. Right now, as you are looking at me here in Lagos, I'm stranded here, so I will have to wait till tomorrow before I can return to Ibadan because of this unexpected events that happen. So just imagine that. Thank you to all our subscribers. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
conclusion about my trip to Lagos on Wednesday, I want you to take note of certain things. When I got to Moniya, train station in Ibadan here, I got my ticket 3,000 naira to Lagos. So when I got to Lagos on Wednesday, when I was coming back on Thursday, so I thought I would return on that same Thursday. I got there again. They said the ticket of the train from Ibadan should be 2,500. So whenever you are coming or you are going to Lagos, please take note. The ticket from Ibadan to Lagos is just 2,500. And as I was coming again on Friday, this even happened to one of their staff. The guy was heading towards Ibadan. He bought a ticket of Ibadan, but along the line they gave him a ticket that of 1,500 instead of 2,500. The guy was so annoyed. He was one of their staff. So please, whenever you are getting your ticket, either in Ibadan or Lagos, make sure you check it. If the one you paid for, that is the one they are giving to you, please take note of that. The first time of boarding a train in Nigeria. This highly impressive with kind of settings and modern technology. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.